welcome. I've had many questions relating to how hot does it need to be until you stop flying the drone. So I'm going to test that out today. Today it's going to be about 38, 39 degrees. It's currently sitting on about 35.5 degrees. So I'm going to go fly my drone and get in front of that truck. I'm going to see if I can actually fly my drone in a 38-degree day. I'm not too sure how I'll go. Might end up with another fire, but let's go find out. So just cut to the voiceover, guys. How you going? Yeah, quick problem with my SG900 Wi-Fi drone. Yeah, it's pretty hot. It's about 41 degrees here. I flew it up to, I'm not too sure, it's probably about 15 meters or something like that. Plenty of GPS signals. But what happened was, as you'll shortly see, is luckily I wasn't above the water. But after a period of time, quite a short period of time, the drone just, crashes. It just flies straight to the ground. Completely uncontrollable, can do nothing about it. Complete loss of control. Props are still sort of spinning, but I have no control over them. And for some strange reason, the quad, it just falls to the ground in a massive heap of plastic and metal goo. So that will happen very shortly. Don't know why. It's actually happened to me before this SG900. So it started playing around a bit here, started drifting left and right for no reason. I thought better just come above land, and lo and behold, as we're just about to see, the video just cuts out and it looks like it has a complete system failure. Bit of a mystery, not too sure what's going on, but yeah, not good. I actually flew it twice. I'll show you the second one shortly after this one. And yeah, I've pretty well deemed the drone to be completely useless now, so I'm going to shelve it. I'm not going to fly anymore because it's just going to fly away from me somewhere where I can't retrieve it, and it's just going to crash. So yeah, a little bit disappointing. When I first purchased this SG900, it was terrific. GPS, pretty cheap GPS drone, 1080p camera, went a hell of a long way, and then all of a sudden this fault started coming up. So I'm not sure if any of you guys out there have a similar Wi-Fi GPS enabled drone that's doing the same thing. Picture's pretty good, but this is where you can see it's starting to get a bit sketchy now, and sort of having a bit of a twitch, like it's having an epileptic fit or something like that, and next minute, it's going down. So down we go, and she's crashed. Bummer. On to crash part 2. So straight away, straight up in the sky again. Did the same thing again. Took it up to about, 20 odd meters, started to hover. It was fine, no drama at all. And then all of a sudden, it's like it just had a panic attack. Start swaying from left to right. I start to lose control of it. All of a sudden, it just gently, in a controlled crash environment, plummets to the ground. And completely unresponsive, and this occasion I couldn't actually turn the thing off, so it kept on running, so I had to do a forced stop. So pretty disappointing and most frustrating. So if anyone's got any ideas out there, please explain, because I don't know what's going on. Thanks for watching, guys. SG900 straight in the bin. I'll see you in the sky with another quad. Thanks for watching. Bye for now, guys.